I would like to congratulate Ganpat University for having the CHRO 2026 conclave. We are in very interesting times of history with AI coming up in leaps and bounds. It's not that because in technology we always say that every 3 months technology will change, but now every 15 days technology is changing. So with this CHRO conclave, we are trying to put on two points. The very important point is that yes, technologies can scale. No doubt on that. Technology helps you to scale, but empowerment helps you to transform. So what we are trying to talk here is that how we can empower the human resource now, which we instead of calling them resource, we are calling them potential. The reason why we call them potential because there are hidden potential in them. A lot of things are there, but we as a HR people will have to find it out that how we can exploit that potential for the benefit of the industry, for the future of our country. The main important aspect is that we all are talking about AI, but who has built up this AI? Human minds have built it up. So when we can take our human minds can go to the phase of this AI, we can do it more than that. So we should not worry about it, but we should see that how we can use AI to augment the future of our own country, how we can future of the world. This is what is important. And so this conference focuses on this. We are here to not just discuss about future of work, but we are here to shape it. Actually, I now call this HR people are not HR people. They have to find out the potential, and they're the architects. They're the architects of this human potential. So summing it up, short of long, the most important thing is that how HR can grow, how it can scale up in a manner so that we can use this potential and see that how we can take our organizations up, because it's easy to build systems, but now we have to focus on building humans.